Categorize numeric variables in Navure data tables. Categorizing numerical variables is a technique for obtaining classes from quantitative data. Classes can be obtained in a variety of ways. To illustrate this procedure, we will use the garlic file included in the test data. This file has two numeric columns, perimeter and weight of 1,000 garlic heads. To complete our demonstration, we will arbitrarily color some cells of the perimeter column. From row 1 to row 20 we will color yellow. To color the cells, go to the Data and Tables tab and press Cell Color button. A pop-up menu of colors will be displayed. From row 21 to row 30 we will color red. To categorize the perimeter variable, go to the Rows and Columns tab and click on the Categorize button. A window will open in which we will drag the perimeter variable to the list of variables to be processed. We can categorize more than one variable. Press the blue play button. A dialog box appears indicating that the default categorization algorithm is intervals based on percentiles. It also defaults to 4 classes, but this is an arbitrary number that can be changed to 3, for example. The lower right panel shows the lower and upper bounds of each class, with the number of cases in each of those classes in parentheses. Note that categorizing by intervals based on percentiles causes the classes to have approximately the same number of cases. If we decide to use the categorization algorithm based on equal length intervals, all we must do is click on the corresponding option. As can be seen, the classes have changed their boundaries and the number of cases in each class. Note that the middle interval has many more cases than the other intervals. Let's see how the custom intervals algorithm works. When we check this option, the custom cutoff points panel is activated. In this panel we find an edit field containing a 0 and a list of numbers containing only 1, 27.6. As we can see in the classes panel, this number is the upper limit of the only class defined by default. If we want to have one class that goes up to 15 and another that goes from 15 to 20, we must enter 15 in the edit box and press the green button that was enabled and then do the same with the value 20. As you can see in the classes panel, there are now 3 classes according to our specifications. Finally, if we want to generate a column with an identification of the cell colors of the perimeter column, we will use the categorization by cell color. It shows that there are 3 classes with 10, 20 and 970 cases respectively. We take this opportunity to show that the names of the classes can be simplified by pressing the yellow button at the top right of the classes panel. When we press the OK button, a column of categories will appear to the right of the perimeter column, which in this case identifies the colors of the cells. These categories can be renamed using the Edit Categories button.